Alright, and today we're going to be making AN lines. This is the 10-10 AN line that I'll be using for my catch can. I already have just one of the fittings pressed on there a little bit, but right now we're going to be cutting the line where I need it. It's about that long. I'm going to be doubling that up. So don't know if you can see that, but about that long. Like I said, doubling that up, so doing that twice. Just getting a little dirty on the floor. It's all right. I'll clean up. But I have no idea where my bench vise went in my recent move. So I put together this little contraption that'll do what I needed to do for holding the hose. It's not going to hold it while I cut it. This is for when I put the fittings on the end of it. So let's see here. Safety first. Okay. So yeah, I'm using the biggest disc. I have tape on where I marked where I'm going to cut it. Well, it's right in the middle of the tape. Doesn't need to be exact for this. I'm going to cut it right in the middle of the tape here, so I can reduce the amount of flaring or fraying that the hose is going to do, the nail braided part. So let's go for it here. It's always best practice to drop exactly what you're working with. All right, it's pretty good. It could definitely be a little bit straighter, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit here. That'll work for me. And now, I'll cut this one after. We're going to put this in my little homemade vise here. All right. And this one is going to get a straight fitting. So what you want to do, take the goddamn glasses off, shove this in there as hard as you can while holding up the bottom. See how it's in there like that? And then once it's in there like that, you're gonna hold it and then turn it as much as you can. I like to do as much as I can by hand, and then get the wrench on there. Now, it did get marred up just a tad, but as long as it's on there like that, that ain't never coming off. Obviously you can't see in there, but now just got a hell of a lot more to do. So Get this goddamn tape off of here. Where the For this end, we're going to be doing a 90-degree bend on it. Let's see, so this, first of all, get this zip tie off that I had on there. You don't want to take this part. Slip it on there. As deep as it's going to go, which is definitely deeper than that. Perfect. And then it should be all the way up inside of it, as you can see there. And then I'm actually just going to start this one by hand. Just going to take this, shove it into the hose. Boom. 90-degree on that one. Straight on this end. That ain't going nowhere. Strength test. Pull test. Twist test. No twisty. No problem. Gonna have to retrain the hose a little bit. But even without those little jaws and aluminum vise, tiny bit of marring, but you're never even going to notice that. I mean, not on my car anyways. So, all right. One more to cut and get going. So, see how it does. Get this tape off of here. Wrong way. Get that shoved on. Not far enough yet. Almost there. Sometimes it takes a little persuasion. Boom. All the way in. That's what you want it to look like in there. And then again, you're going to take this, give it a nice shove in there. Now this one's harder because the 90-degree was like a handle, so this one is not like a handle. That is all set. Looking good. Heck yeah. Oh, a little blemish right there, but that's fine. Now I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the other side and go from there. what fitting I want to put on there, but dash 10 AN lines are now done. Thanks for watching.